PDA, or public displays of affection?
Yes, some people in the office have complained about some other people engaging in PDA. And, you know, just want to remind it's not appropriate to do.
No.
This is about me and Jan in my office, because I will have you know that that was consensual.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Here, I don't think anyone heard anything. You're very discreet.
What?
And most people had left.
I love you. Say love you. Say love you.
Yeah, you.
Follow the memo. Real tight.
Okay, look.
Hold on, your song is gonna come on.
Mama.
Your song's gonna come on.
Mama.
Here, get down. Get down. Come on, get down.
No.
Okay, get ready.
No.
Get ready.
No.
You're so-
Yes, we are.
Is this your fun little way of congratulating us?
Get back, I can't see you. Okay.
Get over here. Come on. Come here.
Cheese.
Okay.
Get ready.
Stand up.
Cheese. Say mommy, daddy.
Daddy.
Say it again. Say mommy, daddy.
The gym man.
Do it, Jacob.
I should have been dating for a couple months.
Say mommy, daddy.
Love you guys.
Where'd it go? Look, your song is gonna come on. Look. Look.
Let the bells of Dunder Mifflin chime out your love.
Going.
Because this is really good. This is really good.
Hello.
Soars with the eagle's nest.
I don't see it. I think they both could do better.
It's not a surprise to me. Ken is the office mattress.
Jim Howard's off the market. Guess who just became the best looking single guy in the office?
Where'd it go? Oh! Go do it. Do it. Shake your butt. Shake your butt. Shake your butt. Hurry. Yay. Good job. Say bye-bye.
That's what she said.
Wave.
Did you plan it?
Wave. Say bye-bye. Blow kisses.
That job looks hard.
Love you.
Put your mouth on that.
Yeah.